Ever wondered how to export local entity data from Transparent Idaho? Well, it's super easy, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, let's head to the county landing page. Next, find the report you're interested in. We're going to use the total budget for all counties. Hover over that report with your mouse, and you'll notice 3 dots appear in the right corner. That's how you find your export button. Click on them, and the drop-down menu will appear. From here, simply select Export Data. And just like that, the file will download to your computer. You'll find it in your online downloads folder, ready to use however you need. Transparent Idaho makes accessing and exporting data effortless. Give it a try today and dive deeper into the numbers that matter most to you.
Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you'd like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.